Hello my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be making a video in response to these questions. Alright, in response to this question, please can you make a video of how to fund our bybit account in Nigeria? Because I'm a new user. Thanks. Right. So let's quickly go to bybit. Before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, please do all to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so there are several ways to fund your account on bybit, which you must understand. Okay, you must understand that there are three legit ways to fund your account on bybit, but that will be a video for another day. For today, I'm only going to show a single way, which is through peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so just quickly navigate yourself to this more as usual. Okay, click on the more and wait patiently for it to load. So after it loads, you will navigate yourself to P2P. Okay, which is this P2P. You will click on it and allow it to load. So if it loads, you're gonna go into choose buy because you want to fund your accounts. Okay, and don't forget, for those of us that are coming here for the first time, navigate yourself to this very place, because this place will be USD or any other thing. Then you're going to go into click on it to choose your NGN. Okay, you click on it and navigate yourself to this search bar. Then you search for NGN. If you search for NGN, then you just click on this place. Then this place will be changed from USD to NGN. Alright, so let's begin. In this very place, you must understand that every merchant in this very place have a trading limit. Okay, so you must have their limit equivalent before you'll be able to trade with them. Okay, like this person known as positive, the limit of this person is 150k, 158k to 158, you can see here. So you must have this very volume of money in your wallet or in your bank account before you be able to trade with this person. Okay, so we're going to keep scrolling now so that we can see who we can trade with. Right, okay, this is one gentleman here. We have one gentleman here which has a limit of 20,000 naira to 57,000 naira. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do, since you have find somebody of your choice that you can trade with, you're just going to click on him. So we'll click on this man. Wow, he's saying sufficient inventory, he doesn't have much money. Okay, these are some of those challenges you may come across. He doesn't have much money. Don't worry, you move on to search for another person that has your limit. Okay, this person has our limit but is ineligible. You must also be aware of this ineligible of a thing. Anybody that is not showing you green here to buy, you will not be able to trade with him. Anybody that shows ineligible, don't bother about him. Go further to search for another person with this green tick. Okay, so we'll keep searching until our demand is met. Okay, so we have somebody here, but he has a high volume. This person has a low volume, but is ineligible. Okay, all right. I think we got somebody here, and you must always check if the person is online for a faster transactions. You can see this person is online as well. This person is online as well. So we're gonna going to choose this person. Let's see if he has a field inventory. Wow, this will be a good one to start with. So reaching this very place, you just need to impute the volume. Don't forget the person has a limit, right? So let's put what we want to buy here. Let's say we want to buy with 20k, right? You see, want to buy with what? 20k, and we're given 12.578. This is what you'll be given in equivalent. 20k, be given this in equivalent. Okay, so let's proceed to trade with this young man. Click on buy. So if you click on buy, it will bring you to this interface that display the whole details of your transactions with this man. Okay, it's displaying the what? The whole details of your transactions with this man. You can see here, it says you are paying 20,000 naira. That's right. You are buying this USDT at the rate of 1590, which is right. You'll be given 12.5787 USDT in equivalent. That's right. This is your order number. This is your orders time. Okay, and this seller has a nickname which is Z Exchange. This verified seller name is Isaac Bede Abba, right? Okay, good. Then, having checked all these ones, the next thing you need to do is to proceed to pay now to get this person account number. So click on pay now. If you click on pay now, it will bring you to this whole person detail. It shows you that yes, this trader is accepting bank transfer. This trader is using Shipper Cash, Isaac Abba, right? This is the trader account number. This is the bank name, Paystack, Titan. So the next thing that you just need to do is to copy his account in order to proceed to his payment. But before that, for faster transactions, you can just come to this very place and talk to him if he's available now to pay you. So click on it. If you click on it, you wait for it to load. So reaching here, it's asking us to proceed. This is to show you that he's live. I'll say okay, right? I will say okay here. Then I will go back to proceed. That shows me that is what is available online. So I'm going to copy this account number as we explained earlier. I will take it to my app to pay him how much? To pay him 20,000 naira, right? Okay, now let's go to my app. Now this is my app. I'm going to choose him. I'm going to pay him. Pay stack is what he's using. Cheaper cash about Isaac. Let me go and check the name. Remember, this very name must be the same with his verified name on Bybit. If not, your money will be gone. Okay, Isaac Abba. Come to this place. That is his name, Isaac Abba. Okay, so I'll go back to pay him, Isaac Abba. So I'll go back to pay him 20k, right? So as you can see, it's loading. Okay, successfully. I have paid him what? 20k. I'll come to this place to see get receipt. I will save my receipt in case of any issue. I'll need to upload the receipt to him. Okay, all right. So let's go back. Coming back here now, since I have paid to him, I'll come to this place to say payment completed and click on payment completed. I need to tick those boxes. Tick them, click on confirm. Now he's been notified. Okay, I'll come to this very place again to let him know that I have paid. Contact seller. You see, bybit has already notified him that I have paid. I will still come to this place and tell him that I have paid. Paid. Okay. So you must understand that in this very place, you must not cancel order. Okay, you must not cancel order, because if you do, money will be gone and there's no way you can get it back. So at this junction, all we just need to do is to wait carefully for him to pay us. All right, this is his time limit. This coin you have bought will be released within 10 minutes. That is a fair time. So wait patiently for him to release this coin to us. Okay, you can see the time count down here, so don't panic, and you must not cancel your order. After you have paid, you must not cancel your order, otherwise the money will be gone. Okay, so God so kind, he has released our coin to us. Okay, so you just come to this place and sit down and come back to this place to view the asset that has been given to you. View my asset. You can see the assets here. Okay, now this is successfully how you can fund your account on bybit through P2P transactions. So if you find value from that very video, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that it can go viral and a lot of people can find value from it. Okay, so thank you so much. If you still do have any question, feel free, drop it at the comment sections, and I will get to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.